Hello YouTube, and how you doing? Welcome back to another video. This is not a repair video, but there may have been a few people waiting on this particular video. I did advertise it, I have mentioned it a few times, but here it is. So we have here a PlayStation 4 Slim. It is I don't think it was brand like skin themed, anything like that, but it came with Uncharted 4, A Thief's End. This is not the original controller, and it has very little on time. It has been upgraded to a 480 gigabyte Kingston SSD. Same type as one of these, but a 480 gig instead of a 240. So it does have an SSD in it. And one other thing, I forgot to mention this. Not really a feature, but kind of cool. The original box that it came in, still in fairly good shape. So yeah, this is my personal system. And we're going to give it away. As I said, how do you get it? Be subscribed, leave a comment on this video pertaining to this right now that you're watching. Share it, help get it out there. I want to get this into the hands of somebody that wants one. It's only a PlayStation 4 Slim. When you do giveaways, I do realize there are people that just troll around the internet and looking for free stuff, giveaways, things to enter in. And, we have no way of filtering that kind of riffraff out. However, we're going to do a live drawing and pick a random comment from this video to give it away. Anyhow, I think I covered the features of this. Let's go ahead and flip it on quick. We'll go over to this cam, hit our button. Don't fail me now. And yes, we got it. So, as you can see, it's going to have a generic user one profile on it. I did go in and reset it. I'm not going to run the update, so whatever firmware is on it is on it. I don't get into the whole jailbreaking or cracking or hacking thing. It's just I don't update the firmware in case the person that wants it on a lower firmware than is currently out. There's our generic user one profile, so we can go up here and show you the size of the SSD, I believe. Storage. 390.4 gigabytes. So yes, it has the system on part of it, and then whatever else, roughly around 480 gigabytes. I did have to come in and turn off HDCP as my HDMI splitter doesn't strip out HDCP, so that's the only way I can capture it is by turning it off. So if you want HDCP on and you are the person that wins this thing, you're gonna have to go in and turn it back on yourself. Anyhow, what else is there to say? It's a free PlayStation 4 going out to somebody that is subscribed, leaves a comment on this video, and is sharing, helping get it out there. This is the giveaway for the 100 subscriber milestone. I do have a few other things that I want to give away on the channel. However, we're going to wait till we hit certain milestones to give these things away. I thought this was a cool one. It took longer than I thought for me to get the box, but now that I do have the box ready to give away and can ship it out as a complete package, going to throw in a figure 8 cable, HDMI cable, aftermarket controller, the original game, as well as the console with the SSD upgrade. So, if you don't have a PS4 Slim and you want one, this is your chance to enter to get one for free. Just do those 3 simple things. Be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment, share it, help get it out there. Let's go on faith that you're sharing, helping get it out there. How long am I going to let this run for? 2-3 weeks, a month. I want to see if it will, if we can get anybody interested in this, or maybe a month passes and we've only got 3 commenters. If that's where the chips fall, if that's how the cards are dealt, so be it. We got to draw from 3 people. I truly, truly hope that is not what happens, though, but you never know. Crazier thing, truth is often stranger than fiction, so we'll see. Where will the chips fall? What is in store? What is the fate of this thing? If you come from one of the 4 oddball corners of the earth, Antarctica or some other crazy ass place that it's going to cost a fortune to ship to, just make sure you have the money. If there's an import tax, a tariff, any fees for you to be able to come and pick this thing up. But I'm going to pay for shipping to the country. Beyond that, that's going to be on the winner. So think about it before you enter, if you're in some place that has crazy fees to be able to pick up international packages. I did think about limiting it to like the UK, US, Australia, and a few other countries, but I'm like, that don't seem fair. Let's leave this open to whoever it may be. It may cost a little bit to ship, but I want to give this away to somebody that can actually use it. Hopefully somebody that really wants it and doesn't have one, or wants to do something good with it, possibly give it to a friend or family so they can game together. Anyhow, as always, thank you for tuning in, clicking the link. Although this is not a computer repair video or gaming console repair, it is a giveaway for the 100 subscriber milestone that I hit recently with the channel. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed, and without anybody checking this stuff out, there's no purpose to keep doing it, but there are people, so we're going to keep it up. Anyhow, good luck to anybody that enters on this. Thank you so much for clicking the link, coming, or hanging out on other videos as well as this one. Be subscribed, leave a comment on this particular video, share it to help get it out there. You may win. We're doing a live drawing. What more is there to say? I think that's about it. Oh, let's turn this thing off and get out of here for the evening. Let's turn it off. Is our cam link gonna freeze? Who knows? Hopefully not. And there you have it. Alright, people. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.